My name's Larry. I've lived in Winston-Salem for a little less than a year after getting out of the Air Force. Now I'm trying to combine my interest in filmmaking with the curiosity to see the world around me. I thought I'd bring you along as I explore this northwestern North Carolina city, the surrounding area, and beyond. In these videos, we'll hit the mountains, check out the town, have a beer or two, and occasionally travel even further away. Join me on adventures both big and small. Winston-Salem lies in the northeast part of North Carolina, approximately an hour and a half away from the Appalachian Mountains proper. To the north of its skyline stands a few lonely and striking mountains, and today I'll be starting my tour of the area by hiking with my wife Jillian in those looming mountains known as the Sauratown Mountains. I'm going to be hiking Moore's Knob, which is the highest point of the Sauratown Mountains. This hike is supposed to be somewhat challenging, so we'll see how steep it is as we work our way up to the top. There's some sort of fire tower at the top as well, so I'm excited to see the views. Alright, here we are, start of the trail. We're gonna go all the way around this lake, and then all the way up to the very top, up there. That's where we're going. What do you think about the trail conditions, Jillian?
Oh, it's great.
Or you could just honestly tell me it's really muddy.
It's really muddy. Squish, squish.
We're getting pretty close to the top. We're kind of running along this ridge line as we make our way up to the top of Moore's Knob. It's been a pretty decent hike. It was a little strenuous going uphill, but nothing too bad. Nothing to break and a little bit of water couldn't fix. It's a little hard to see with the camera with all the trees, but you can see some of the surrounding peaks and the Appalachians, the Blue Ridge in the distance. I think we got about half mile or so till we get to the top of Moore's Knob. Excited to get up to the top and see what it's like up there. So we made it up to the top. It was a pretty good hike up here to the Sauratown Mountains. These mountains aren't really a part of the greater Appalachian Mountains. There's just like 4 or 5 of these mountains just kind of off by themselves, almost lonely. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty great hike. The views are pretty great, 360. Really enjoyed it.
It was definitely strenuous and muddy in parts, but it was worth it. It was a good workout and the view is pretty great.